God, it's still Aerosmith. Alright guys, so the rest of the group today had their conference meeting, so today was my one day where I was by myself and I decided to come here to Hollywood Studios. Of course, rock and roller coaster. I definitely had to get on that again before they take the Aerosmith part out, because I wanted to have one farewell video dedicated to my favorite ride of all time. You know, it's kind of sad that they're replacing it. I mean, I do love the Muppets. The reason why it is my favorite ride of all time is because Aerosmith was the first concert I had ever been to, and my dad had taken me to that show. It was the 7th grade, and I heard advertisements for Aerosmith coming to, at the time it was MCI Center, but today it's Capital One Arena. And my dad asked me, what do I want for Christmas? And I told him, I want to go see Aerosmith. My dad has this whole vinyl collection of classic rock music. So that genre, I associate that with my dad and the fact that he got me tickets. He and I went to go to that show together, and that's why Aerosmith has a huge meaning to me. And when I started working for Disney Parks, we had access to come to the parks for free with our ID, and I would come on this roller coaster because of Aerosmith, and because I was away from home, it made me think of my dad. And now it's being replaced. I mean, we have until, according to the cast member, we have until 2026, and I'm really glad that I came here today and found out that Aerosmith was still the theme of the ride. You know, prior to this vacation, I wanted to go on this ride again so bad, and prior to this vacation, I was worried that I was going to show up and nothing Aerosmith was going to be there. But luckily, I showed up and I saw Aerosmith's name. I'm going to try to ride it as many times as I can today, and it's going to be a marathon of me going on this ride.
Yeah, I don't care if it's a 60-minute wait. This is my favorite Disney ride, and I will wait the 60 minutes.
Yeah, it's happening.
You know what? It's been a while. I forgot this had a single rider plane. That's how we're doing it.
Don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey, what's a hey? What are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show. I'm working now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this.
I've heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No! Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah,
that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Is send them all with you?
Yeah.
Hey, how about some backstage passes?
Woo!
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah.
Come on. Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's up to you.
So as you saw in the shop, I did customize a tag because like you show up to the shop and like all the rock and roller coaster merchandise don't have Aerosmith's name anymore. And when I saw that there was a customizable tag, you can engrave whatever you want, I went ahead and got one of these. And I had Aerosmith's name engraved on the back, just as it says so right here on the guitar. Rock and Roller Coasters, starring Aerosmith. And that's why I got this. I had to while I'm here because it's been 13 years since I was in Orlando, in this park, on my favorite ride of all time. So it only makes sense. Who knows, maybe, I'm sure Muppets will be fun, but it's not Aerosmith.
So now it is 75-minute wait. Of course, I still think it's worth it. I'd still do it. But you know what? Single rider line again.
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
And this time George the Wizard's with me. Here, let's go.
What'd you say?
I said I identify as a compact vehicle.